Dear all, I am Kapil Mohan Garg, your instructor, and I welcome you all for this wonderful Excel course. Excel is actually a spreadsheet program by Microsoft. It is compatible with multiple platforms. It is so popular that on similar lines, many other companies have developed their own Excel softwares. In today's dynamic business and work environment, it is must for you to know how to use Excel at your own work or in your daily life. I assure you that after completing this course, you will become very good in using Excel at your work and in your personal life, and also you will increase your chances of better professional options for growth. There are hundreds of possible applications of Excel in almost all areas. You can use thousands of inbuilt features and functions to solve your problems. You can make use of graphs, charts, pivot tables, statistical tools, functions and formulas, financial functions, and you can make them use for many different purposes. In Excel, you can create your own different functions and formulas, and you can work on different graphical representations of data, pivot charts, normal charts, or you can create different types of pivot tables also from this. You can create your own inventory list, as you can see on the screen, different varied inventory list for your own requirements, your own budget overview graphs and reports, create a project planner for different type of projects of almost all industries and fields, create multiple type of charts to display data and for visualization. You can create personal and professional budgeting and expense sheets. You can create a loan calculator like this and for calculation of loans and payments of various EMIs, to know interest, ending balances, etc. You can also create sales trackers like as you can see on the screen for keeping tab of your sales, and there are many more numerous endless applications. In this tutorial primarily I am using Excel 2019, but I had also used Google Sheets for few lectures. I am sure that together we will enjoy this Excel course, and I invite you to begin your journey to a beginner's approach to advanced Excel. Thanks to all of you.